Hi guys, it's Joe. I wanted to share with you this video on how I made these tab dividers for my planner, and they're basically using laminating sheets, sequins, and a scallop border that I cut from my silhouette. So it looks like this, really simple. I have some that are bows, and then I have some that say notes, lists, and I'm making one that says today, and these are double-sided, so they look like that. The paper that I used is a digital paper file from Mommy Lay, and it is from the July kit, and it looks like this. So I just printed it on regular cardstock. This is the Recollections, I think 60 pound or 80 pound, I forget, but this is Recollections cardstock white. And yeah, it's this heart pattern, the bouquet pattern, and then a bouquet effect, and then it has the purple, pink, and what is this, aqua color. So really easy. I basically got a scallop border, and I typed in the word today, and I did a reverse image on my silhouette, and it cut out like this. So it's just, that's the back side, and then this is the front side. Really easy. So what I do is get some adhesive. Yeah, and then I don't even put a lot because I'm going to run it through my laminator. You might hear a sound, it's probably my laminator, and also the white noise background because my son is taking a nap. Let's see. Just want to try to get it as even as possible. That's okay. And then I already measured it to the size that I needed it to be. I think it's like 8 1/4, but and then the page is by 5 1/2. I have an A5 planner, so this is really easy. Let me get you a white background here. This is a 3mm laminating sheet. You could go thicker if you want, but 3 is fine for me. So I basically place the border here, and then I'll cut it down to size when it's done laminating, but just to make sure it's the right, at least I have enough. Okay, and then I get some sequins. You can put any sequins. The sequins that I used is from Target, and it looks like this. It's called Glitter Shapes, and then I'll just sprinkle it on here. My battery's about to die, so I might have to do 2 parts. I might have to edit, which I didn't want to, but anyways, so yeah, just fold it. It's okay if the sequence is standing up. The laminator will pretty much make it even, will make it flush. Then I just feed it into my laminator like so. Let me move it here. I usually run it twice, but running it once to the laminator is fine. So I'll be right back because my battery is about to die, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me just turn this off and move it. And then I just poured sequins on this side because then I could always just cut some, use some metal dies and make some die cuts, or just make a smaller dashboard. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. And then let me just cut it to size. that. and it's okay if it cuts the sequins. The sequins won't fall out of the laminated part. So yeah, and then measure 5.5. Oh, about to cut that. Just make sure. Yeah, roughly 5.5. Just a little bit over. Oh, I'm doing it again. Okay, how much did I do this? Okay, there you go. This should be good. Okay, yep, fits perfect. And then let me, I just fussy cut around this, but let me make some marks here. Like that. Okay. Put this here. And then just get my scissors. Okay, so I have this extra piece, and that's what it looks like. And then let me just line it up here and punch my holes. And I'm just using my Crop-A-Dowel. I use the largest hole punch all the time when I'm doing the rings. This one's kind of hard to see because of the sequence. Flip it. Okay. Okay, that should be good. Okay, so yep, there it is. My notes today and my list, and then I have the ones with the bows. You can do it like that. You could do it any other way. Either way, doesn't matter. But yeah, so that is my video on how I made these divider tabs for my planner. Really easy, simple, cute. And yeah, there you go. So hopefully you guys give this a try. If not, you probably already did, and I'm tardy for the party. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you how I made these, and that's it. So thanks for watching, guys.